Hey guys, and welcome back to Snap Circuits Workshop 2. So today in electronic snap circuits, we're going to do project 583, swinging meter with sound. Alright, so let's get the base grid. Here it is. Let's get started with the project. Sorry about that. But anyways, project 583. Okay. Let's place a B1 battery holder right here. We need the whole base grid for this project, by the way. 10 ABC. We need another B1 battery holder down here. Next, we need the M2 meter. It's going to go right here. This circuit will require 6 1-snap wires. Alright, I have 2 1-snap wires for layer 1. This 1-snap wire, we're going to place it right here. This 1-snap wire, it's going to place it right here. This is an broken orange jumper wire. Okay, next you need a 7-snap wire. We're going to place the 7-snap wire right here. Right. Next we need a 3-snap wire right here. Just move it a little. Okay. Next we need a 5-snap wire right here. Alright. Let's place a U3 space war integrated circuit right here. And next we're going to place this U4 amplifier integrated circuit right here. And I think that might be it for layer 1. Let's move on to layer 2. Let's start with the S1 slide switch. This is the Snap Circuits arcade one. That's for sure. And by the way, in our next Snap Circuits Workshop series, we will create the circuits that I built. Like my own circuits. But anyways, I think I might have told you in another Snap Circuits Workshop 2 video. But anyways, let's keep going. We need a 4-snap wire up here. Let's get the Snap Circuits box. No, we don't need a 6-snap wire. We need 4 2-snap wires. I have 3, there's 4. 2 snap wires, I mean. I'm gonna place one here. We're gonna place this one right here. We're gonna place this one right here. Shit! And this one right here. Now we need 2 1-snap wires. Actually 3 1-snap. No, 4. We need 4 1-snap wires. I have 1 1-snap wire. Oh, we do need the D3 diode. Oh, these some slides which is searching. Okay. I have 2 1-snap wires, 3, 4, there you go. So the D8 color light emitting diode. Okay. We're gonna place this one snap wire there on the B1 battery holder right there. We need the one snap wire right here. Another one. We need another one snap wire here on the U4. And the other one here. Okay. We need 2 3-snap wires. Actually, no, 3 3-snap wires. Alright. I have 3 3-snap wires. This 3-snap wire is going to go right here. One right here. And one right here. Okay, next we need the C4 100 UF capacitor. We're going to place that right here. And I think that might be it for layer 2. Let's move on to layer 3. Let's get the D1 light emitting diode. We're going to place that right here. Yeah, just like that. Next, we need the D3 diode. Up here. And last, no, not last. Our 2 1000 OHM resistor right here. And finally, the WC whistle chip will go right here. Alright, that's it for this project. Let's see what's supposed to happen. Set the meter to the low scale. There. In this project, you will see and hear the output from the space where UC, well, not UC, but IC integrated circuit. The power amplifier integrated circuit amplifies the signal from U3 in order to drive the whistle chip and meter. Turn on the slide switch. The meter deflects back and forth as the D1 light emitting diode flashes and the whistle chip sounds. Replace the whistle chip with the SP speaker. There it is. It's for a louder sound. Note that the meter will deflect very little now. Almost all of the signal is across the speaker due to its low resistance. Okay, wait a second. What happened here? We need a 2-snap wire. Shoot! Shoot! It keeps falling. Like, shoot! This is not. Shoot! Okay, hold it tight. Oh, wait. We're gonna place that right here. Ah, there we go. Now let's turn it on. Is there anything missing? Yes, there is something missing. Let's turn that off. Yes. Let's place this 2-snap wire right here. I was mistaken. Wait a second. The M2 meter just deflected. Measuring at 0.25. Let's turn it on now. Okay, that sounds weird. Alright, let's turn it off. Let's replace the WC whistle chip with the SP speaker. Wait a second. Watch the M2 meter deflect. Whoa, hang on. There we go. Now let's try it now. The meter is not deflecting, but the D1 light emitting diode is sure flashing. And speaking of my Snap Circuits Workshop 3 series, My own circuits will require Snap Circuits Lite, Electro Gadget 200, Snap Circuits Arcade, and Electronic Snap Circuits, and maybe parts from the Snap Rover as well. But anyways, that's it for this project. I will see you next time for another video. Goodbye!